Hello friends, today I'm making a Dambala Mallum, wing bean Mallum, a simple and healthy village-style recipe made with fresh Dambala, coconut, onions and spices. Wash the Dambala leaves well, drain and shred them finely. Add oil to the pot and add garlic, curry leaves, pandan leaves, moldy fish, green chilies and onions. Add the wing beans. Add pepper, chili flakes, turmeric and salt to taste. Combine the Dambala and grated coconut. Cook over low heat for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring gently. Remove the heat while the leaves are still bright green. Do not overcook to preserve the color and nutrients. Enjoy.